Hello and welcome to the daily study of the Way of Mastery. Today we continue with Lesson 1, The Way That Calls You Home, Section 2, The First Step in Awakening, Paragraph 10. And Jeshua says, "Imagine then a state of being in which you walk through this world, seemingly appearing like everyone else, and yet you are spacious within. You are empty within. In truth, you desire nothing, though you allow desire to move through you, and you recognize it as the voice of the Father, guiding your personality, your emotions, and even the body to the places, events, people, and experiences through which the tapestry of the atonement, the at-one-ment, is being woven, through which all of the children of God are called home again." Beautiful. So let's just take a look. A state of being in which you walk through the world, seeming to appear like everyone else, but yet you're spacious within. This makes me think about, I guess it's in the Bible, I don't know, like being in the world, but not of the world, and how we're not so noisy inside and full inside of our thinking, of our problems, of our solution-oriented brains, but we are empty within, spacious within. In truth, you desire nothing, he says, no thing. And there's a whole lesson 4 is all about desire. And he says, though you allow desire to move through you. So there's really nothing that you want, so to speak, because in this state of consciousness, in this state of union, in this state of at-one-ment, you know you have all things. You don't need anything. So there's really nothing to desire in this context that's going to give you anything. So you allow desire to move through you, and you recognize it as the voice of the Father, as the mother, as the birther, guiding you. So you're in complete trust because you know the divine is all things. And so in this space of complete trust, you're just an instrument. And so you trust the voice of God within you, of the Father, of the mother within you, guiding your personality, guiding your emotions, not trying to judge them all the time or trying to figure out if you're being a good enough person or if you're being loving enough. You just trust whatever is coming through you is perfect, is holy, is sacred, and is for the highest good. Even the body, that you're guided to the places and the people and the experiences through which the tapestry of the atonement, the at-one-ment, and this is the first time in this text that this term is used. This term is used prolifically, is that the right word? In A Course in Miracles. But Jeshua says the at-one-ment. So this whole experience is, again, union consciousness, through which all of the children of God are called home again. And they're called home in consciousness, in awareness of the divine in all things. So when we're willing to get out of our busyness of our head and our thinking and our human wants and desires, which most of them are typically driven by separation and fear and lack and trying to get and trying to feel worthy and all these things, when we can relax into the spaciousness of an empty mind and we can be led by that inner voice of spirit, we don't have to scheme and plan and worry. We can just know that wherever we are is divinely orchestrated. The encounters that we have in our life. You got kids, like if you're a parent and you're parenting, you don't have to worry all the time if you're messing your kids up. Like, it's all perfect. And that might sound like avoidance, but from a deep place of faith and connection to the divine within you, it's just a different place to live. Again, you're being in the world, but not of the world. So try that on today. See if you are willing to open to this idea and ask for guidance wherever you are, that you may be an instrument of the divine, both in how you're thinking and what you're saying. Like, God, give me your words today. Give me your eyes today. Let me see through your eyes. Give me your actions. Like, I trust that whatever I am kind of inspired or whatever I do is done through you. And then go about your day and then forget about it without trying to obsess if you're doing it right. Awesome. We're diving in deeper tomorrow. Thanks for listening. If this is a podcast that you like, subscribe, maybe share it with somebody you think would get value, then more people will be served. All right. I love you. Have a great day. Bye.